Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to watch members only videos for free on Patreon. So if you found videos online claiming they've discovered a hidden trick, then here's what you need to know. At the moment, there's no official or legitimate way to watch Patreon members only videos without the required membership, and Patreon uses access control that only allow paying members of the correct tier to view blocked content. And you need to be careful with websites or apps promising free access, as many are designed to steal accounts or spread malware. But the good news is that many creators regularly post free updates, reviews, announcements, and sample content that anyone can view. And if you want full access to exclusive video, then you'll need to join the creators membership through Patreon. So that's the truth about watching members only videos on Patreon for free. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.